Hi everyone, I am AJ, and for today's video we will do an unboxing of the TNT Space, and the character is Boy Rayan. So this one is the All Life Blossom series, and in this series it has 9 figures plus the secret. So let's see what we will get. For sure we will get some of these, but I'm wondering if we will get the secret. Alright, so today we went to Tesla Live because I got canceled from work. So what should we do? Go to the store and shop. Alrighty, so let's see, this is sealed, so we got the whole thing. Gonna open it. We actually cut the tape already, so alright. And by the way, thank you to the sponsor who gave me this box. This is actually a Clay's collection. Boy Rayan is his favorite character from TNT Space. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna put it on the side. Let me get the first box first. Alrighty. Alright, let's shake it. I don't know. I don't know that shake off thing to figure out what character, because I have no idea. I'm not an expert on that. But let's see what we got. Ta-da! Okay, let's see who we have. One, two, three. Whoa, what's this one? This is called... Okay, by the way, as... I don't know what it says. Has this card. It has these things. And... the character card. Persistent. Called Persistent. Put it right here. Alright. Next. There you go. Second box. Okay, let's see who we got. Dun, 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 dun. There's the card. It's called Dormancy. That's nice. Look at that. Has a flower and that little dewdrop right there. And just sleeping. Can you see it? Okay, look at that. Dormancy. It's a cute one. Right there. Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty. There you go. There you go. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see. Whoa. Let's see the card first. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Look at that. Looks like a wizard. So this is Reflect. You see it? Has the stars. Has that star over here. Look at the, what do I call this? A cape. Like a pajama. And look at the shoes. Tell you some details of this one. This one has a different material than the rest of it. Feels a little like a fuzzy feeling. And then look at the details here as well. It has stars even underneath. You don't just leave it like blank or something. It's pretty cool. Alright, next one. Alrighty, let's do it. You know, they have a website, TNT Space, and you can check out their other characters. Our favorite is actually Boy Rayan, so that's why we got this. Put that away. Alright, let's take a look. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Look at that. Let's see what the card says. Look at that. It's very cute. Has the different shininess. It's not really shiny on the top hat or the whatever you call this beanie. It's matte finish, and the jacket is also, or sweater is also a matte finish. But look at the shoes and the band-aid, shiny, and the little wing over there, and a little sprout. They're shiny. So let's see what's it called. This one is Sprout. Alright, very cute, cute character. And look at that little monster design on his sweater. It's very nice. Nice detail on this one. Has that piercing right there. Okie doke. La 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 la. I think we have 5 more. Excited. And alrighty, let's take a look which one is next for our Boy Rayan. Oh. All Life Blossom series. Ready, set, go! Whoa, look at that. So cute. So cute. And let's take a look at the card. Oh, has more stuff in it. Oh, there you go. Okay, so this one is called Temper. It is Temper, okay. Let's put it right there. So this one has an accessory. And it's the umbrella. Let me put you on this side. Strength, give me strength. There you go. I got the handle for the umbrella. Okay. Good plastic. Alright, oh, look at that. It's not a perfectly shaped, has holes there. The umbrella is part of the design. Let's assemble it. Let's assemble Temper. Let's put the umbrella first. Right there. Oh, I see. The umbrella has those little ears thing too. Okay, and now let's have him hold it. Alrighty, here he goes with the umbrella. Look at that teddy bear. Let's do it. Let's go to the next one. This is a cute one. I hope it stays standing up. Alright, let's take a look at the next box. Unboxing video. Okay. Do you like the sound of doing that when you rip that paper box off? Let's take a look. TNT Space Boy Rayan. 1, 2, 3. Alright, look at the detail on this one. This one, it's very fuzzy. And look at the leaf on his head. And little sprout thingy looking. Where's the card? There it is. So this one is called Wonder. Or Wondering. Or Wonder. Alrighty. Very cute. Very cute. I like it. I like this series by TNT Space. Okay. Next one. We're down to the last 3. So this box, or this series, All Live Blossom series, has 9 of the standard ones and 1 secret. Got 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. Strip it. 1, 2. Where's the ripper thingy? There you go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Ghost. So this one is called Backfire. There. More. Okay. So this one is Backfire. Look at the detail on this one. So he's wearing a raincoat, I guess, and it's kind of like translucent. Okay, look at that. Can you see it? The hair. And look at those horns and the tail. Look at that. And it has the ghost. 2 ghosts. Whoa. You see over there? It's like goo. It's shiny goo. Nice detail. This one's very cute. I'll put it right here. Next. Alright. Let's take a look. It's a little heavy. Open. You ready? I'm excited. 1, 2, 3. Has that little thing to protect its head from the roses. Look at the roses. This is called Wither. And shiny jacket right there. And the roses. Aww. Has tears. So it's crying. Even though he looks angry. I guess this is Rayan's signature look. Just looks angry. It's crying though. Let's put it right there. And the last box. Let's see. Okay. Are you ready for this? Shake it, shake, shake. 1, 2, 3. See the drum roll. Okay, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. It's called Hope. And it has that little accessory here. What is this accessory? Oh, it's a origami. Anything else in there? Let's take a look. Oh, I guess we did not get the secret. It's okay though. So for the secret edition, you have 0.69%. Get it. Whoever has the secret of the All Life Blossom series, contact me. I want to see it. Okay, let's put this on his hand. There you go. Look at that. That matte finish hat and shiny white shirt with roses and that little origami. Alright, so this is Boy Rayan All Life, call it All Life Blossom series of TNT Space. So you can see all of the 9 figures of Boy Rayan. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time.